churches and synagogues, where it says the name of Allah, Islamic Allah, is much better. Please explain to me what was happening with the name of Islamic Allah in monasteries, churches, and synagogues. Please explain.
For us as a Muslim, you say in the name of Allah. What Jesus used the name.
Now you're going into your confusion. I know Muslims are deluded. I know Muslims are deluded. And Muslims would want to go into a synagogue and shout out to Takbir, Islamic Allah, and think they are calling the same name.
Wait, please listen. What did Jesus, my question, what did Jesus use the
Are you
name
going to engage in the conversation?
for God? Give me a
Not
name.
interested. Are you going to engage in the conversation? Please listen.
No.
I am reading Surah 22. Surah you
Answer me first.
not
What did
interested.
Jesus
Look at the clown here.
use the name
Firaz
of God?
Firaz
He said
has
Allah in
now
the Bible,
become
my
a
friend.
clown.
He said Allah in the Bible.
He said, I asked him for a specific thing. This Firaz, I asked him for a specific thing. Now he comes across as a clear liar, a deliberate liar, a little bit of a clown, and someone who wants to delude himself and others. Note carefully, what did I ask of him? I asked of him to show why and how he thinks, according to historical Quranic records, Muslims were only defensively violent,
Only different.
not offensively violent.
Yes, you're not
For
allowed,
which,
you're not allowed to
for
fight
which,
the photography.
for
And I
which,
did show you a reason
for
here.
which our
Wait, why they're fighting?
I'm
Because
answering
they've
right
been
now.
taken outside
For
of their house.
for which our lovely liar friend Firas.
Because they've been taken
Liar,
outside the house.
liar. He's a liar, liar.
He's not giving
When he
us-
comes near you, shout out liar, liar.
Okay, I'm
He
liar.
brought up one reference. What was the reference? Surah 22. Surah 22, ayahs 38 and 39.
There is many of them. All of
And
them
I
said
showed
different-
to him
only
what
said
was
different.
happening there. I showed to him what was happening there. What was happening? In verse number 40, he showed in verses 38 and 39, he said, hey look, Muslims were driven away from their properties. That's what he claimed. That's what he claimed. But unfortunately for him, even when he read the Quran, he went on to read not just 38 and 39, but also verse 40, thankfully. And what does verse 40 say? Verse 40 reveals a historical detail that dismantles and goes against his own idea. It reveals that the Muslims were delusional, violent, offensively violent, not defensively. How do we know this? Verse 40 says that these mentally ill, mentally unstable, delusional Muslims, for some strange reason, instead of going to a medical doctor and receiving mental health support, they had gone to monasteries, clearly not Islamic, churches, clearly not Islamic, and synagogues, clearly not Islamic, to go in and proclaim the name of Allah much. Because verse 40 says, there would have been demolished monasteries, churches, synagogues and mosques in which the name of Allah is much mentioned. So it clearly mentions the name of the Islamic Mickey Mouse Allah were mentioned in these places. By who? Christians would not have mentioned the name of the Mickey Mouse Allah in a monastery, in a church, in a synagogue. Jews wouldn't have said, no, listen please first. And then lie. Try lying after that.
Wait.
And so
Why did Jesus not use the name? He never used and confirmed the name of Yahweh and
Please
Jehovah.
go take a look.
Why didn't he use the name Jehovah and Yahweh? Because Jehovah and Yahweh is not the real name of God, my friend.
Take it.
The name of God is Ilahi, Ilahi, that's what he said.
Down the
That's what
stairs
the
and public look. Don't take too much time, please. Thank you very much. Please.
The name Jehovah is correct. It's not correct.
That's fine. Don't shout it.
Just give me an answer.
Firas,
Why
thank you.
Jesus never said the name
Don't
Jehovah?
do the same to your Christian wife at home.
Why Jesus never used the
Don't
name
mistreat.
Jehovah
Don't
and Yahweh?
mistreat your Christian
Give me
wife at
answer.
home. Please don't.
Give me answer.
So what did I say?
Is
To
God
Siraj.
is the name of God the
Firas.
Father, Yahweh, Jehovah? Jesus
The
never
liar,
used it.
Mr. Liar, professional
never
liar.
used it.
What did I say? These delusional, mentally ill, mentally unstable Muslims had gone to take over non-Islamic places of worship to shout out their takbir or all hand to Allah or all shame to Islamic Allah, Mickey Mouse Allah, and so on. I'm really sorry. Not Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse didn't exist at that time.
Jehovah is
Some
not
sort
the
of
real name of God, my friend.
local rat or
Jesus
local
never
mouse.
confirmed this name in
They
the
had
New
done
Testament.
that there.
Never.
What would the owners of the buildings do?
He doesn't have an answer for it.
Sensible people as they were, they chased the Muslims away. That is the only record that you find in 38, 39 and 40 verses of Surah 22. My dear friends, this Islamic delusion, the mental ailment of Islam continues to happen even today, where they go around thinking all non-Islamic places belongs to Islam just because they are Mickey Mouse Islamic. Allah had given a daydream to some fellow who clearly was, I don't know what went through his mind. Therefore, my dear friends, wake up. Israel does not belong to you. The UK does not belong to you. Churches across the world do not belong to you. Don't belong to you. When you go in and try to take over, please be prepared by to see defensive eviction by the owners of the properties. If you go and attack Israel, please be prepared for them to come and wipe you out. My dear friends, your delusion is making you do insane things. Wake up. Islam is a religion of utter, thorough delusion. If you want to study mental ailment, mental instability, study Islam. Everything about this book reveals mental instability. Everything, almost everything. It's utterly unbelievable that you live in a total delusion. You have an entire history cooked up for yourself. Nothing which corresponds to evidence. All evidence stands against you. Wake up before it is too late.